Trading is like talking to the market. Sometimes it responds quickly and clearly, and sometimes it is silent and you have to guess its mood. Today we'll hold the session exactly in this format. I will observe the price movement and listen to what it suggests. We will open some deals, see where the market speaks directly and where you have to read between the lines. So if you're interested in looking at trading as a dialogue, stay. It will be curious. Before we start working, you need to set up your account correctly. Watch carefully and just repeat after me. I will use the chart type candle. Time frame will be reduced to 30 seconds. In the list of indicators, we will choose Bollinger Bands on D-marker. The indicator Bollinger Bands will have a period of 10, deviation of 2. Also change the style settings as you wish. The D-marker indicator has a reduced period of 8. It's necessary for the indicator to give a signal more often. And I will also change the style of the indicator. You can just repeat after me. And configuration is complete, so you can start searching for a suitable situation. The market is a system and it's important to learn how to read it. On my Telegram, I share a review of this system every day. Fresh levels, comments and observations. To connect, go through the link in the description, follow and send me a message. I think in this situation we can't make profit, so let's reopen a trade. The trading time will be 1 minute and trade time will be $450, and my prediction the price will go down. And now let me tell you how this strategy works. So look, the price went up and crossed the upper limit of Bollinger Bands. This leads to a trend reversal and yes, the price started to go down and the first signal is here. I also noticed that the chart of the D-marker indicator crossed level 70 and began to decline, and this is the second signal that also confirms the decrease in price. And as you can see, both indicators gave a signal, and that means that the market has really started a downward trend. And this strategy has certain working rules, and I will tell about them a bit later. Excellent start of the session, guys. The trade is profitable. So my capital is $3,414. It just acts on the start of the session, but I'm not wasting time and already looking for the following situation. Let's break down the most common mistake. I will limit the amount of trading to $100 and I think the price will increase. I see that the price chart has already reached the bottom of the Bollinger Bands. The price has pushed off and started to rise. But look closely at the D-marker indicator. Well, yes, the graph of the indicator has started to increase, but in this case, the basic web work is broken. The graph of the indicator did not cross level 30, so this situation is not suitable for work. The indicator did not give a signal. Remember, it's important that the D-marker indicator chart crosses one of the levels. If you see that the chart of the indicator has crossed level 70 and the chart has started to decline, it's a downward trend in the market. If it has crossed level 30 and started to increase, then it is uptrend. This is vital if you want most of your trades to be profitable. As you can see, I was in a hurry to open a trade and it's a loss. Remember the situation and do not allow to make such a thing in your work. Raise the amount of the trade to $650 and my forecast the price will increase. And as you can see, the situation has formed. The price chart is pushed away from the lower Bollinger Bands. The D-marker indicator also gave a signal. The indicator graph crossed level 30 and is now built above it. I think I can't get profit in this trade. For now, I'll give you one piece of advice. It is not enough to get signals from the indicators before opening a trade. The currency pair plays a big role here. Do not be lazy to check the reliability of the currency pair you take to work. At least check the previous signals from the indicators. It's possible that they were loss-making, in which case the currency pair is not stable and again you can't get a loss. Also, do not use currency pairs in which the trend changes too often. It's difficult to make profit in them. And strike, guys, another profitable trade, and that increases my capital to $3,912. For now, I will find another situation and open the last trade. I think I made the right choice to open a trade to raise the price. Both indicators gave the signal and I think it's a safe situation. I'm also sure that, guys, you will also like this strategy. I have shown in some detail how it works, so then it's up to you. And bingo, the trade is also profitable. So now I see that my capital has increased to $4,786, guys. It's just an amazing result. And on this, I would like to conclude my trading session. Excellent session, and again without chaos, everything according to the strategy. I want you to understand one thing. Your task is not to guess the market, but learn to read it. Review the video, focus on key moments, and try to find the logic of each entry. And of course, write in the comments below if your analysis matches mine.